Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott new rear air shock for various GM SUVs, GMT K2YG or C, with Magneride Z95. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. The product shown in the installation steps may look different than the part you are installing. The installation steps are the same, and all notices and warnings should be adhered to in the same manner. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Lift the vehicle and remove the rear wheel and wheel well liner. Then locate and remove the airline to deflate the air strut. Turn the metal clip at approximately 90 degrees to remove the airline fitting from the air strut. Locate and remove the electrical connection from the top of the air strut. Now, detach the strut connection from the vehicle clip. Loosen and remove the upper and lower strut mounting nuts. Now support the axle to relieve pressure from the air strut's mounting points and remove the upper and lower air strut mounting bolts. You are now able to remove the air strut from the vehicle, which completes the removal process. Before the installation process, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Now start by removing the yellow shipping cap. Install the new Arnott air strut. Next, install the lower strut mounting bolts and nuts. Also, install the upper strut mounting bolts and nuts. Next, install the electrical connection and clip to the vehicle. Now install the air hose connection. Finish the installation by installing the wheel well liner and the wheel. Now lower the vehicle. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on installing the Arnott new rear air shock for various GM SUVs. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Feel free to contact us with any questions.